Hi, I'm Zoe Worton.
I'm Katie.
And we've come to Max Curry Trust this weekend and learned a lot about, for me personally, it's been great for my technical abilities, developing the craft.
So for how long have you been turning then, Zoe?
Just shy of a year. I picked it up in my final year at university. Yes, I'm still very new to it, but I really like experimenting within the form of bowls at the moment. Yeah, this is one of my pieces from my final year, a square edge bowl, and this is like a matching one to go with it. So it's like a yin and yang.
So, Katie, what do you think of those?
I think they're quite cool. I like the fact that they're a pair.
They have ceramic inserts as well.
I like sitting with them. They're very cool. I like them. What wood is it?
Walnut. So I usually just do green wood, but this was seasoned wood that I bought, and I really like the outcome. I actually have one more blank of it, so I'm debating what to do with it.
Guess it.
So, Katie, what do you enjoy turning?
Anything big. I'm kind of ridiculous with the stuff that I do. Not ridiculous. Like I like to do things that challenge me and aren't like. I like to put big stuff on and figure out ways that it needs to be done the most effective and the most practical and whatnot, and finding stuff that's not going to be easy for me. I want to kind of grow and do stuff that is going to challenge me and is going to be like, how did you do that? So,
Do you sell your work as functional?
I don't sell it. I don't make stuff to sell. I sell stuff if somebody. If I've made something and somebody wants to buy it, then I sell it. But I don't make it to sell. I don't make it for that purpose. I make it because I want to and I enjoy the making side of things.
Do you see yourself eventually making to sell, or are you just waiting to see how it'll...
Possibly. My thing with it is I'd love to sell my work and I'd love to be like that person that's like, everybody wants it. And I'm sure there's people that do and they get there, and I would do that, but in the same respect I don't want what other people want to start to take over what I want to do, if that makes sense, because you kind of lose yourself in what everybody's asking you to do. And it doesn't take the fun out of it, but there's always stuff, you get wrapped up in trying to do stuff for other people that you don't actually turn anything that is necessarily exciting. But I'm sure it obviously all is and you enjoy doing it nevertheless, but sometimes you just want to do something that you want to do and you get wrapped up in what everybody else wants. So eventually, yeah, but not as like a main